When evaluating expressions, we follow a certain order of operations. The multiplication, division, and modulus are evaluated first, working from left to right. Then we evaluate addition and subtraction, also from left to right. Just like math, we can override this order of operations by using parentheses. The parentheses would be evaluated first, working again from left to right, then your multiplication, division, and modulus from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. When we do the assignment operator, remember that it is the value on the right that is being assigned to the value on the left. The assignment operator is evaluated from right to left, and it is done last. Let's look at some arithmetic expressions. We have A is 5, B is 3, and C is 2. Let's look at this expression. Int value equals A plus B times C. Looking at the order of operations, we will do the multiplication first, B times C, which is actually 3 times 2, or 6. Then we'll do the addition. So A plus 6, or 5 plus 6, and value is assigned to 11. Let's look at another expression. Here, we used parentheses around the A plus the B, so that expression is going to be evaluated first. A plus B is actually 5 plus 3, which is 8, and then 8 times C, which is 8 times 2, or 16. In this next expression, value equals A minus B plus C. We would do the subtraction first because working from left to right, addition and subtraction are on the same level of the order of operations. So A minus B, or 5 minus 3, which is 2, plus C, which is also 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So value is assigned to 4. In this expression, A times B divided by C, again, we're going to work left to right, evaluating the multiplication first. So A times B, which is 5 times 3, or 15. Then divide by C, which is 2. And remember, we're doing integer division here, so we're going to get the result, which is 7, and discard the remainder, that is 1. So the answer here is 7. Let's look at another example. C plus A mod B. In this case, we're going to do A mod B first, which is 5 mod 3. And when we do 5 mod 3, we get the remainder, which is 2. And then C plus 2, or 2 plus 2, which is 4. In this expression, we will work from left to right, evaluating the things that are in parentheses first. So the first thing, the leftmost parentheses, is A plus B. That's going to be 5 plus 3, which is 8. Then we're going to work on this set of parentheses, because that is now the leftmost, and 8 times C is 8 times 2, which is 16. Now that we have that parentheses evaluated, we need to work on the next set of parentheses, A minus B. 5 minus 3, which is 2. And then 16 divided by 2, we're doing integer division, and we get 8.